This is the shoulder packing exercise in a side lying position. So we're going to get down onto our side. In this case, I'm going to be working my right shoulder. So I want your right leg just kind of supported across your body, left arm up above. If this is too uncomfortable for your leg, give yourself a little bit of a kickstand right here, just a couple books or pillow or something like that to prop it up. From here, we're going to take that right arm, we're going to put it straight up in the air. I don't want you finding that it starts to float this way or floats down. We're going to try and keep that packed in this position. Don't let the shoulder itself come up or don't let it kick forward. Try and keep the nice packed position. We're going to have a partner hand you a weight in this position, and we're just going to maintain that. Maybe for a count of 5 or for a count of 10. Biggest thing is don't let the weight start to sag the arm down. Don't let it come up. Don't let that shoulder move from that packed position. Let the partner take the weight away. You relax, and then we'll repeat.